dear students, in last class we have discussed about properties of determinants. In today's class, solving problems based on properties of determinants. Now, example 1, using the property of determinants and without expanding. Prove that delta equals determinant of x, a, x plus a, y, b, y plus b, and z, c, z plus c equal to 0. This determinant value is 0. Prove that. Proof. Let delta is equal to x, a, x plus a, y, b, y plus b, z, c, z plus c. Now, applying operation C1 changes to C1 plus C2. Column 1 element changes, that is adding C1 and C2 columns. That is delta is equal to determinant of C1, C2, x plus a, second element y, C1y, C2, b, y plus b, and third element C1z, C2, c, that is z plus c. Second column elements write as it is a, b, c, and also third column elements also write as it is x plus a, y plus b, and z plus c. Know that property 3, if any two columns or any two rows are identical, then the value of the determinant is 0. So look here, in this determinant, column 1 and column 3 are identical. Therefore, the value of this determinant is 0. Therefore, delta is equal to 0 since the elements C1 and C3 are identical. Therefore, the given determinant value is 0. Hence, it is proved. Now, example 2, same, using the property of determinants and without expanding, prove that delta is equal to, example 2, prove that delta is equal to x plus y, y plus z, and z plus x. Second row, z, x, y. Third row elements 1, 1, 1 equal to 0. Prove this, the determinant value is also 0 by operations. Proof. Let delta is equal to determinant of x plus y, y plus z, and z plus x, z, x, y, 1, 1, 1. Now applying operations, R1 changes to R1 plus R2. R1 elements x plus y plus z and z plus x. R2 elements z, x, y. So first row elements changes, that is delta is equal to determinant of x plus y plus z. R1 is x plus y, R2 is z, x plus y plus z, that is x plus y plus z. Second element y plus z plus x, that is also we can write x plus y plus z. And third element z plus x plus y, that can be also written as x plus y plus z. So first row elements becomes x plus y plus z, and second row elements as it is zxy. Third row elements 1, 1, 1. In this determinant, first row elements are same. Taking common factor, taking common x plus y plus z from row 1 R1. Therefore, delta is equal to x plus y plus z, determinant of 1, 1, 1, second row element z, x, y, third row elements 1, 1, 1. So look here, in this step, in this determinant, the first row elements and third row elements are identical. The value of this determinant is 0. So therefore, delta is equal to x plus y plus z into 0, since the elements R1 and R3 are identical or same. Identical. Therefore, delta is equal to x plus y plus z into 0. Therefore, delta is 0. Hence, it is proved. The next we'll go for problem number 3. One more example using properties of determinants. One more example without expanding. Prove that delta is equal to determinant of a minus b, b minus c, c minus a, b minus c, c minus a minus b, c minus a minus b, b minus c is equal to 0. This determinant also 0. Proof: let delta is equal to a minus b, b minus c, c minus a, b minus c, c minus a minus b, c minus a minus b, b minus c. Now by applying operations, by using row operation or by using column operation. Now I am using column operation, that is C1. C1 becomes or changes C1 plus C2 plus C3. So C1 column, C2 column and C3 column. So therefore delta is equal to A minus B plus B minus C plus C minus A. A minus B plus B minus C plus C minus A. Second element B minus C plus C minus A plus A minus B. So third row element C minus A plus A minus B plus B minus C. So first column becomes these elements, and second column write as it is elements B minus C, C minus A minus B. Third column write as it is elements C minus A minus B, B minus C. In this determinant, so first element, first row, first element plus A minus A cancellation, minus B plus B also cancellation, minus C plus C also cancellation. Second, first column, second element also, all elements are cancellations. Third element also plus C minus C plus B minus B plus C minus C also cancellation. Therefore delta is equal to, so first column becomes 0, 0, 0. Second column B minus C, C minus A minus B. Third column C minus A minus B, B minus C. In this determinant, if any row or any column of a determinant are zeros, then the value of the determinant is also 0. Therefore delta is equal to 0. Hence it is proved. If any row or any column. Okay. The next example. Again one more using the property of determinants and without expanding, prove that delta equals. Example 4, prove that delta is equal to determinant of 1 BC A into B plus C, 1 CA B into C plus A, 1 AB C into A plus B equals 0. Prove this determinant is also 0. Proof, let delta is equal to 1 BC A into B plus C, 1 CA B into C plus A, 1 AB C into A plus B. Now, by applying operations, C2 changes C2 plus C3. Again by using column operations, second column changes. Therefore delta is equal to 1, 1, 1. First column element write as it is. Second column C2 is BC plus C3 A into B plus C. Multiply this A into B, AB plus A into C, AC. The next element C2 is CA plus B into C, BC plus B into C, BC. B into A, BA. The next element AB plus C into A, CA plus C into B, CB. The last column elements write as it is A into B plus C, B into C plus A, C into A plus B. Here in this determinant second column elements BC plus AB plus AC, we can write AB plus BC plus CA, and second element CA plus BC plus BA also can be written as AB plus BC plus CA. Third element also AB plus CA plus CB can be written as AB plus BC plus CA. So therefore delta is equal to 1 1 1 AB plus BC plus CA, AB plus BC plus CA, AB plus BC plus CA. Third column A into B plus A, B into C plus A, C into A plus B. In this determinant second column elements are same, taking common factor, taking common AB plus BC plus CA from C to column 2. So therefore delta is equal to AB plus BC plus CA, determinant of 1 1 1, second column elements also we get 1 1 1, third column elements A into B plus C, right as it is, B into C plus A, C into A plus B. So look here, in this determinant column 1 and column 2 are proportional or identical, therefore the value of this determinant also 0. So therefore delta equals AB plus BC plus CA into 0. Therefore delta is equal to 0. So write in brackets, since the elements C1 and C2 are identical. Identical means equal elements or same elements or proportional. The next example, one more example. Take one more example using the property of determinant and without expanding. Prove that delta is equal to delta equals 2765 3875 5986 is equal to 0. This determinant value also 0. Proof. Let delta is equal to determinant of 2765 3875 5986. Here by using operation or applying operation C1 changes to C1 plus 9C2 using this operation. Therefore, delta is equal to C1 column 2, substitute here C1 plus 2 plus 9 into C2, C2 is 7. That means 2 plus 9 sevens are 63 is equal to what? 65. So first element becomes 65. Again second element 3 C1. So 9 into C2, 9 into 8, 72 is equal to 75. Third element 5 plus 9 into 9, 81 is equal to 86. So first column elements become 65, 75 and 86. Second column elements write as it is 7, 8, 9. Third column element 65, 75, 86. In this determinant, observe here column 1 elements and column 3 elements are identical. The value of this determinant is 0. So therefore, delta is equal to 0 since the elements C1 and C3 are identical by using property 3. Or by property 3. Therefore, the value of this determinant also 0. The next one more example. Example 6. Prove that delta is equal to determinant of A plus B, A plus B plus C. Second row elements 2A, 3A plus 2B, 4A plus 3B plus 2C. Third row elements 3A, 6A plus 3B, 10A plus 6B plus 3C equals A cube. This determinant value is A cube. So one more problem. So let delta is equal to A plus B, A plus B plus C, 2A, 3A plus 2B, 4A plus 3B plus 2C, 3A, 6A plus 3B, 10A plus 6B plus 3C. Now, applying R2 row operation, R2 changes R2 minus 2R1 and one more operation taking at a time. R3 changes R3 minus 3R1. Therefore, delta is equal to determinant of first row elements, write as it is A plus B, A plus B plus C. Second row elements 2A, R2 is 2A minus 2 into A, 2A. 2A minus 2A gets cancellation 0. The next element R2 is 3A plus 2B minus 2A minus 2B plus 2B minus 2B gets cancellation 3A minus 2A becomes A. The next 4A plus 3B plus 2C minus A minus B minus C. 4A minus A becomes 3A. 3B minus B becomes plus 2B. 2C minus 2C gets cancellation 0. That means 3A plus 2B. The next, by using this operation R3, 3A minus 3 into A, 3A minus 3A gets cancellation 0. The next, 6A plus 3B minus 3A, so 3 3s are 9. So 6A plus 3B, so R1 3A minus 3B, 6A minus 3A becomes 3A. 3B minus 3B gets cancellation 0. So 10A minus 3A, so 7A. 6B minus 3B gets cancellation plus 3B. 3C minus 3C gets cancellation 0. So again, by applying operation R3 changes R3 minus 3R2. So therefore delta is equal to determinant of A plus B, A plus B plus C, 0 A, 3A plus 2B, 0 minus 0, 0, 3A minus 3A gets cancellation 0, 7A minus 3 into 3, 9, 9A minus 9A plus 7A becomes minus 2A, 3B minus 6B, so minus 6B plus 3B, subtraction minus 3B. So look here, in this determinant, if all the elements of 7 minus 7, 3 3s are 9. So look here, mistake here. R2 minus 2R1, 4A minus 2A becomes 4 minus 2, 2. Then 3B minus 2B, that is plus B, 2A plus B, 2A plus B. Here also 2A plus B. Now by using R3, 7 minus 6, 3 2s are 6, A, 3B minus 3B gets cancellation 0, that is A. So in this determinant, if all the elements below the principal diagonal elements are zeros, this is a principal diagonal elements here, A. Below these principal diagonal elements below means 0, 0, 0. The matrix, this determinant is called the upper triangular determinants or upper triangular matrix. So therefore, like this, so product of principal diagonal elements, product the principal diagonal elements, therefore delta is equal to product the principal diagonal elements a into a into a, therefore delta is equal to a cube. So multiplying the principal diagonal elements, a into a becomes a cube. The next example, prove that delta is equal to, prove that delta means determinant, delta equals 1a bc 1b ca 1c ab is equal to a minus b into b minus c into c minus a. So prove this determinant 1a bc 1b ca 1c ab is equal to a minus b into b minus c into c minus a. Proof, let delta is equal to 1 1 1 ABC BC CA AB. Now applying operations, R2 changes R2 minus R1 and at the same time R3 row 3 third row R3 minus R1. Therefore delta equals determinant of 1a bc, write as it is, R2 minus R1 1 minus 1 0 b minus a ca minus bc, c common, a minus b. The next R3 minus R1 1 minus 1 0 c minus a ab minus bc, b common, a minus c. Here in this determinant, taking common a minus b from R2 and a minus c from R3, taking common factor or common a minus b from R2 second row, a minus c from R3 third row. Therefore delta is equal to a minus b into a minus c, determinant of 1 a bc 0, here a minus b, if you take outside a minus b becomes here minus 1 c, here 0 c minus a, here taking outside common a minus c becomes minus 1 b. The next again applying operation, now again applying operations, R3 changes to R3 minus R2, So therefore delta is equal to A minus B into B minus C into determinant of 1A BC 0 minus 1 C 0 R3 minus 1 minus of minus plus 2 sorry plus 1 gets cancellation 0 B minus C. Here also principal diagonal elements below are zeros, product the principal diagonal elements, therefore delta is A minus B into B minus C into 1 into minus 1 into B minus C. B minus C, that is C A minus, sorry, here A minus C. So therefore delta is equal to A minus B into A minus C into B minus C into minus 1. Therefore delta is A minus B into right B minus C into A minus C into minus 1 becomes C minus A, hence it is proved. Hence it is proved. Take one more example. Example gate. Prove that delta is equal to determinant of 1 A square 1 B square 1 C square is equal to A minus B minus C into C minus A. Same problem. Let delta is equal to 1 A square 1 B square 1 C square. Now by applying operations, R2 becomes R2 minus R1 and R3 changes to R3 minus R1. Therefore delta is first row elements write as it is 1A square 1 minus 1 0 B minus A B square minus A square R3 minus R1 0 C minus A C square minus A square. Therefore delta is equal to determinant of 1 A square 0 B minus A. You know B square minus A square, B minus A into B plus A 0 C minus A. You know C square minus A, C minus A into C plus A. Taking common factor B minus A from second row and C minus A third row. Taking common factors B minus A from R2 and C minus A from R3. Therefore, delta is equal to therefore delta equals B minus A into C minus A. Determinant of 1 1 1, A 1 1, A square, B plus A and C plus A. Again applying operation R3 changes R3 minus R2. Therefore delta is equal to B minus A into C minus A. Determinant of 1 A square, 1 1, B plus A, 1 minus R3 minus R2 0, 1 minus 1 0, C plus A minus B minus A minus A plus A gets cancellation, C minus B. So therefore we are expanding the determinant, therefore delta is equal to B minus A into C minus A. So by using third expansion along third row, place minus place 0, so write in bracket 0, third row first column deleted. So A into B plus A, AB plus A square minus A square minus 0, third row second column deleted, B plus A minus A square plus C minus B into third row third column 1 minus 1 into 1 1 minus A. So therefore delta is equal to B minus A into C minus A into 0 minus 0 plus C minus B into 1, C minus B. Here in last step, here one mistake here, not 1 1 1, 1 0 0. Here also 0 1 zeros, not 1 1 0 0. Here also 0. So now multiplying 0, third row first column, A into B plus A square minus A square, third row second element, third row second column, remove that, 1 into B plus A minus 0 into A square 0, and third element C minus B, third row first column, remove that, third row third column, remove that, 1 into 1 1, C minus B into 1. So therefore delta is equal to B minus A. So write in A minus B minus minus of A minus B. Write C minus A as it is. C minus B is write in B minus C form. Therefore, delta is equal to delta equals minus into minus plus A minus B into B minus C into C minus A. Okay, students, stop here. So we'll continue in next class.